We're doing a prawn wontons topped with tobiko. Ooh. Which is kind of like a take on this quite traditional Cantonese dish from Hong Kong in Tai Po Market. So we've got your fresh shiitake mushrooms there. You can sort of finely chop a good handful of those up. Yep. And then finely chop some spring onion and some coriander as well. Yep. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll get some ginger on and the prawns. So I just take my cleaver and wow, I've minced my prawns. Once you've got those minced prawns, you can give them a rough chop. And then the other prawns, just chop them into sort of larger chunks. Right, so I've got my minced prawns and my sort of more chopped prawns ready. They're going in with your mushrooms, your shiitake mushrooms, and then your ginger, your spring onion's gonna go in, and then a little bit of coriander. So the seasoning. We're gonna start with a good pinch of salt and sugar. Classic Cantonese pantry ingredient. Yep. Every household should have oyster sauce. So we're gonna go for about a tablespoon of oyster sauce in there, along with some pure sesame oil. Roughly half a teaspoon. Okay. I am gonna add a little bit of corn flour. So that is our filling. What we're going for is like a money bag sort of fold. You kind of put the two triangles over each other like that. And then my crocodile jaw is my index finger and thumb. And I sort of gather my jaw over the edge of the meat. And as it's gathering, then you just squeeze that jaw together and you get a very rough money bag. Okay, into the center, overlap to get those two peaks. And then your crocodile jaw comes in and it just gathers over the top, over the top, over the top, squeeze. And I'm using the filling to stick itself together. Eat dumplings.
Beautiful.
The sauce, or the broth, we're gonna keep very simple and stick with the oyster sauce. So the oyster sauce, about a tablespoon in there. I've got this on a medium heat for now. That's bubbling away. I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of premium light soy sauce, and then a good amount of chicken stock. That's boiling. So I'll give you a clump of these wonton noodles. They're gonna go in first. So 1 to 2 minutes of boiling, that's it.
So they look about ready.
Nice. Look, so quick and easy, right? And they can go straight on, they're nice and hot, keep them hot. The wontons can go into that same blanching liquid now. Yep. I mean, this has come to a boil, my broth, which has just been simply seasoned with that oyster sauce and light soy. Right, so they're floating. They have been for a good 30 seconds or so. And then what we'll do is we'll just pour some of this lovely stock or broth over the top of that. And that kind of just revives the noodles a little. Tip this over, or scatter this over the top like that.
I love the texture as well, the little tops.
Yeah, you want to be quite generous with this, you know. A little bit of chilli, spring onion, whatever you want to garnish.
Amazing. That's like a work of art.
Oh, it's so quick.
So quick.
You can have this with some chill chow chili oil on the side as well for dipping. Go on.
Let's go.
Straight for a dumpling. That's lovely, isn't it?
So simple. I can't believe how quickly we made it.
You know, true Cantonese flavour on a plate. Quick and easy.